Today, I'm gonna show you the basics of every vinaigrette, and then you can take it through endless variations. Let's go. For me, the base of every vinaigrette has 6 ingredients: an oil, an acid, salt, pepper, garlic, and Dijon mustard. For the oil, I always use olive oil. You can use any oil that you'd like, but olive oil tends to have the best flavor and a lightness to it that's wonderful on a salad. But the acid comes in so many different options: red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar. You can use a lemon or a lime. And if you want something super gentle and light, use champagne vinegar. So we're gonna start with the oil and the acid. The general ratio is 3 to 1. So 1 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil in this dressing. For the acid, I like to use apple cider vinegar, and I'm gonna use 1/3 of a cup. I choose apple cider vinegar because it has a soft flavor. Red wine vinegar is also excellent in this. Sometimes I just go for the softer appleness. The rest of the ingredients is 1 clove of garlic, a tablespoon of Dijon, salt and pepper to taste. You can always add more at the end. So this immersion blender that comes with a bowl makes things super easy. But you can do this with a whisk. You're just gonna have to press your garlic. Now, after you start mixing it, it's a good time to give it a little taste to see if you need any more salt or pepper. I think it needs a little salt. Perfect, and it's done. Guys, don't buy your salad dressing at the store. It's so simple to make at home and so much healthier. From this base of vinaigrette that we just made, you can take it in any direction you'd like. For me, right now, maybe I would add some fresh parsley, maybe some fresh cilantro. If I want to take it to another level, I would add maybe a red onion and some lime juice to flavor it up, maybe a cilantro lime vinaigrette. You can add poppy seeds and lemon juice and make a lemon poppy dressing. Variations are actually endless. I'm gonna add some fresh parsley to this, and we're gonna have a fresh herb vinaigrette. So I just took the base that we made, I added some fresh parsley, and I'm just gonna blend it up. Delicious, herbaceous. This looks beautiful, and I'd love to know what vinaigrette you've made at home. So make sure you leave me a note in the comments below. Thanks, and see you soon.